Welcome to the SSP tool line. Today we're going to talk about the triple edge reciprocating saw blade. It has bimetal steel for longer life, teeth on opposite edges for two-way cutting, a rounded tip for plunge cuts, fits most reciprocal saws, one blade that cuts metal and wood, saves time in changing blades. The plunge cut feature requires no drilling. This blade can be used on wood, pipe, sheet metal, plastic, nails, fiberglass, and other hard materials. This blade is extremely durable, will outlast all other blades, and will not bend like other blades do. From SSP.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.